You have made the right choice for us. I love that it's not a horse.
Welcome to Southeast Asia's most anticipated theme park, Genting SkyWorlds.
Located at 6,000 feet above sea level and developed across 26 acres featuring 26 rides and attractions.
26 acres? Whoa, that's almost 20 football fields.
But tolls! Not only that, Genting SkyWorlds also includes an exciting mix of experiences, creating an elaborate world of adventure and imagination.
Live entertainment?
Ada!
Shopping?
Ada!
Makan?
Ada!
Well, how do I get in?
You can get your tickets from the self-servicing machine or at the ticketing counter. Or
Prep yourself a day or a week before. Get your tickets through Shopee, go to prepaid bill and tickets, and select event tickets under entertainment.
search for Genting SkyWorlds, click buy now, choose as many tickets as you want, complete your purchase, and redeem your ticket at the counter.
Guaranteed entry.
Nice!
To maximize your experience, make sure you download the free Genting SkyWorlds theme park app and use VQ or virtual queue to reserve your entries for rides and attractions for you and your party.
Create your profile, link your ticket, select your attraction, click on Reserve Now, and choose a time to book your slot. When it is time to ride, scan your QR code at the VQ entrance of the attraction, and it's time to enjoy the ride.
Just a disclaimer though, some attractions are virtual queue only. Make sure you book it to avoid disappointment.
Genting SkyWorlds is the home to 9 unique worlds for you to explore. Your journey begins at the Studio Plaza, a beautiful Art Deco prelude to many other worlds that lie ahead.
Take a stroll down Central Park, the largest world in Genting SkyWorlds and home to Night at the Museum, Midnight Mayhem, ESD Global Defender, and Independence Day Defiance.
Explore a thrilling galactic world at Andromeda Base. This is where you will find bootcamp training, alpha fighter pilots, and the Sky High Terraform Tower Challenge.
Travel back in time to prehistoric world at Ice Age, where you'll find Sid's Rock and Slide, Mammoth Fun Zone, roller coaster through an icy mountain on Acorn Adventure, and Ice Age Expedition Thin Ice coming soon.
Get lost in a hidden kingdom of pint-sized proportions at the whimsical world of Epic. The main attractions are the indoor boat ride, Epic Voyage to Moonhaven, and Epic Hummingbird Flyers.
Feel the energy and excitement as you enter the world of Rio. As samba music fills the air, take a ride on the crowd favorite Samba Gliders and Rio Carnival Chaos.
Vamos! Danza Rio!
Larger than life double-decker carousel ride, Blue Sky Carousel.
Enter a vibrant world of robots at Robots Rivet Town, where you'll find Big Wheel Zeppelins and Rivet Town Roller.
Hike through a forgotten town at Eagle Mountain, home to Mad Ram Peak Full Throttle Racing, a dual-powered coaster bike ride coming soon.
Take your next Insta-worthy photo at Liberty Lane, where you'll find Invasion of the Planet of the Apes, also coming soon.
I love all 9 worlds created here.
I punya favorite, Andromeda Base.
So the next adventure lies in your hands. Should we go get food or go on adventurous rides?
Pick carefully. Adventurous rides.